Don't be worried, take it easy. Let's welcome corn. Corn was native to the Central America, and it is the crop with the world's highest yield. Apart from being human daily food, corn is also animal feed and ethanol fuel. During the Columbian era, corn had already been an important crop in the Andes regions. After every plentiful harvest of corn, the local Indians dance around the corns to celebrate. They also worship the god of corn. It can be imagined how indispensable corns are. Corn is also an inspiration to artists and poets. A Mexican poet mentioning corn for a number of times in his poem won the Nobel laureate in literature in 1990. On the other hand, many pottery vessels were found in the design of corn in northern Peru. Even the wall of the United States Capitol contains many corn carvings. Try to look around at the modern style art. Many of them are related to corn. See you!